Have you ever considered that science could be a cult? A thought-provoking question, isn't it? We are taught to trust the theories established by brilliant minds across centuries, but what if they are merely illusions? From the theory of relativity to the Big Bang theory, quantum mechanics to dark matter, could they all just be fables we've been coaxed into believing? A world where everything we've been told is a lie. Now, imagine a world where all scientific theories are mere illusions. Science, as we know it, dictates our understanding of the universe. It's a tapestry woven with theories like relativity, quantum mechanics, string theory, the Big Bang theory, and the elusive dark matter. These theories are the pillars of our modern scientific understanding. They suggest a universe that is anything but empty, one brimming with particles, forces, and energy. They propose that solar wind and radiation fill the space between celestial bodies. But what if there's another side to the coin? What if we've been looking at the universe through a distorted lens? There are alternative theories that challenge these mainstream ideas, theories that paint a different picture of the cosmos. They suggest a universe that is entirely empty, a universe where the space between celestial bodies is devoid of solar wind, radiation, or any other form of matter or energy. These theories propose a universe where the sun doesn't radiate heat or light to the Earth. Instead, they suggest that the sun, the Earth, and all other celestial bodies exist in a vacuum, a void of absolute nothingness. This perspective is a radical departure from mainstream science. It challenges our fundamental understanding of the universe and the laws that govern it. These alternative theories don't stop at the nature of space. They also challenge the very existence of photons, the particles of light that mainstream science tells us are constantly being emitted by the sun and radiated back into space by the Earth. They propose that nothing can radiate into space, not heat, not light, not anything. These theories shake up the foundations of our scientific understanding. They urge us to question, to doubt, to look at the universe with a fresh pair of eyes. They remind us that science, at its core, is about questioning the status quo, about pushing the boundaries of our knowledge, about seeking the truth, no matter how uncomfortable it may be. What if the sun doesn't radiate heat or light to Earth? What if all we perceive is an illusion? Gravity, a fundamental concept in science, but what if it's an illusion? Picture this, the tides. Those rhythmic rises and falls of the sea level we've always attributed to the gravitational pull of the moon. But let's entertain an alternative theory. What if tides are not a result of lunar gravity, but rather an illusion created by the thermal expansion of the Earth? Intriguing, isn't it? The Earth warms and cools throughout the day, a process that could feasibly cause some degree of expansion and contraction. Could this be the real driving force behind our tides, rather than the distant pull of the moon? Now let's take a look at tidal patterns around the world. They're inconsistent, to say the least. Some places experience no tides, others have 1, 2, even 4 tides a day. Tidal ranges vary drastically from 0 to 50 feet, and they only happen in local coastal areas, not the wide open ocean. These inconsistencies seem to defy the traditional explanation of gravity. The idea that there are 2 bulges of water on the Earth due to the moon's gravity, and the Earth simply turns under these water bulges to produce tides, seems overly simplistic when faced with these irregularities. Could it be that we've been interpreting the world all wrong? We are taught to accept, but what if we begin to question? What if the answers we've been given are not the full story? What if our understanding of the universe is skewed by a science that has become a cult, blindly followed rather than critically examined? Think about it. Every great leap in human understanding has come from the courage to question established beliefs. From Galileo challenging the geocentric model of the universe, to Einstein questioning Newton's laws of motion. Alternative theories are not a threat to knowledge, but rather a catalyst for deeper understanding. They push us to explore beyond the boundaries of mainstream science, to seek truth in the face of uncertainty. So, let's challenge what we've been taught. Let's dare to question the nature of gravity, the existence of black holes, the reality of tides. Only by doing so can we hope to uncover the true mysteries of the universe. Dare to question everything you've been taught about science. Only then will the world reveal its true mysteries to you.